Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Andrea if you're new here. So as you can tell by the title, I'm going to be doing a review slash unboxing of the Louis Vuitton flat mule sandal. If you think that you will be interested, make sure that you keep on watching. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, and of course subscribe to my channel. Alright, so technically this is not a true unboxing because I actually filmed this entire video once before, but the footage was like terrible, so I'm refilming it. So yeah, it was wrapped up like really pretty. I had the ribbon and everything, but like I said, I already unboxed it and I've actually already worn these shoes. So this kind of is, that's why I said it's also like a review because I've worn them a few times. So this is the bag, and then this is the ribbon that it had on it. This box, so cute. But yeah, so this is just the box, and then the shoes come with 2 dust bags, which I really like because I think Louis Vuitton, I think Christian Louboutin only comes with like 1 dust bag. Well, maybe it depends on the shoe because my boots did come with 2. I don't know, but yeah, sometimes, you know, certain brands, they only do like 1 dust bag, or and I don't really like that. I would prefer it to have 2. So yeah, this has 2, and then this is a receipt, and these were yeah, so these are the LV frame flat mule, and they were $9.35. So yeah, I think not terrible compared to Chanel sandals that are like $1,300, so, or like $1,500. So I mean, $900, you know, I think it's okay for sandals. And I feel like I'm gonna get these, I'm gonna wear these so much. So these are the sandals, and I just think that they're so cute. Let me see if I can come a little closer. So this is how they are. They have the monogram, then they have the reverse monogram, which I love. I wish I had a reverse monogram bag, but I don't, and I definitely think I want to get one so I can like match it. So yeah, I just think it's so cute, and I'm not gonna lie, like they have like a little bit of some type of foam. I'm not gonna say that they're the most comfortable shoe ever. Like if you're gonna be walking a lot, yeah, I would not recommend this shoe, but I mean they're like okay comfortable. Love these. I have like a couple monogram bags. I have like Neverfull, I have the Speedy Mini, and I have my Pochette, and I wear that like so much. I think I wear my Neverfull like just about almost every day because, you know, it's a toe, it's like carries a lot. Like I just wear my LV like monogram my LV pieces like way more. They're definitely like my most used bags. So I was like yeah, this totally makes sense because I'm gonna wear these so much, which was like what I was thinking about the Bon Dia sandals. And honestly, I'm not gonna lie, like this, when I bought these, because I was like going back and forth, and the seller shit was like, no, you should get these because like you can dress these up and you can dress these down, which is like kind of why like I was like, oh yeah, like I feel like this makes more sense because the Bon Dia, they're just so casual. Like I can't really wear that with like a sundress, like it'll kind of look weird. But with this, I can wear like a sundress, like, you know, if I just want to look a little bit more like put together and cute, I can wear these. And I can of course wear these casually with like athleisure outfits and things like that. So kind of like best of both worlds with the Bon Dia, like I said, just casual. But I'm not gonna lie, I still kind of want the Bon Dia sandals. I don't know, let me know what you guys think, and if you have these, how have they held up? I'm not gonna like, I'm a little nervous, like, so I feel like Louis Vuitton, like sometimes they're like metal tarnishes, like, so that's something that I am a little nervous about. But if you've had these for like years, let me know how it's held up. Like, does it still look good? How's like the wear and tear? So that was my unboxing. I hope that you guys enjoyed watching. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, and of course subscribe to my channel.
Put it out the coupe in the lot, for 12 fuck SWAT. Put it out the coupe in the lot, for 12 fuck SWAT. Put it out the coupe in the lot, for 12 fuck SWAT.